Testimony has resumed in the trial of an Idaho mother that's accused of murdering her two children and conspiring to kill her husband's ex-wife. Opening arguments in the case against Lori Vallow Daybell began yesterday. She's facing several charges, including first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit murder. Vallow Daybell has pleaded not guilty to all of them. Greg Fisher joins us now. He is a producer for 48 Hours who's been covering this case from the courthouse in Boise, Idaho. Now, tell us, Greg, this case has it's happened for such a long time, and there's so many different aspects to it. Some people say it has something to do with a cult. Others, like prosecutors, are saying that it has to do with money, power, and sex. Can you just give us a bit of a reality check of what's the case that prosecutors are trying to put forward?
Well, you're exactly right, Lilia. That's what prosecutors opened the case with, those three words: money, power, and sex. And so they are trying to show the jury that Lori Vallow Daybell committed multiple murders for her own personal financial gain and personal pleasure. That's the argument they're making, but they are also bringing in the religious element.
Financial gain, personal pleasure to any mother watching makes absolutely no sense. So how is the defense fighting against that? What's the case that they're trying to make to assert her innocence?
Yeah, the defense had a much more kind of careful, circumspect presentation yesterday. They are saying, first of all, that Lori was not present when the murders of the children happened, nor when the murder of Tammy Daybell happened, the three murders she's accused of and a conspiracy she's accused of being involved in. And the defense focused on sowing doubt. They said to the jury, Jim Aldridge, Lori's attorney, said to the jury, the prosecutor doesn't know exactly how these murders happened, so they shouldn't expect you to make that determination. And it was clearly an effort to say to the jury, you can't, you're going to have reasonable doubt.
That's so interesting. It reminds me of the Casey Anthony case and how Jose Baez, I was in the courtroom as he was telling the jurors, if you don't know how Kaylee died, you cannot convict, which, is not necessarily the case. Plenty of people have been convicted. But I do wonder, I know that her husband has also been charged with murder and conspiracy to commit murder, but they're not being tried together. His trial is going to happen later. Is that because one of the cases is stronger? I mean, why aren't they tried together? And how significant is the outcome of this trial to his?
Yeah, it was interesting. It's definitely a victory for the defense that they were able to have the cases severed. And it mostly happened because Lori was demanding a speedy trial, and Chad Daybell's attorney was saying that it had taken too long to get discovery and he needed more time to prepare. So the judge severed the case, and I think that enables either defendant a little more leeway to blame things on the others.
Makes sense. Makes sense as a defense. Well, Greg Fisher, we will be paying close attention to 48 Hours and to our network's reporting on this high-interest case. Thank you.
Thank you.